Hello, this is Ronald Bourgeois, and you're watching SkilletSkills.com. Hello and welcome to another episode of SkilletSkills.com. I'm Chef Ron, and today we're going to learn how to make a French omelette. Let's get started. You will find that in all French cooking, we're making a French omelette. And the fact is, it makes these eggs very tasty, but you just don't want to scorch them. You can go ahead and put the eggs in before the butter is completely melted. Yeah. Just kind of some method to slide these around a little bit. And so all we're doing is we're fluffing the egg, and now we're putting the egg back together, so that it has the omelet shape again. So with this fluff that we just did, mix it light and rising and airy. It's going to make it really pretty. If you were going to put any ingredients, I just add a little bit of salt and some crushed red pepper. Much. Okay. Let's start rolling this thing. And then we're going to come onto this side here to capture some of this. Come over here, like that. And at this point, you can roll it just a little bit. It's not going to want to jump out of the pan unless the pan is super hot. You can't get the pan super hot because you'll scorch the omelet, but that'll do. See, it's airy, it isn't scorched. These are red pepper flakes. That's the technique. So if you slowly cook it, 3 eggs, it probably will break in the middle. Then it's okay. Slide it to the side of the pan. It'll be nice and smooth. You can go ahead and try to flip it, and then just do what you can to make it smooth on the top. But this is going to be a delicious omelet. It's nice and airy. And I can show you. We'll cut into it a little bit. You see there? Really pretty. It's going to be a tasty omelet.